Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove checkbox from icons and file folders in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when we try to select a file here in our desktop, there would be a checkbox being marked with the moment we selected it. And when we select a specific folder there, it would be also appearing the moment we selected it, as well as the Chrome or application that we created a shortcut in our desktop, there would be a checkbox being attached to it, like OBS Studio in my case, Microsoft Edge, even in Recycle Bin. And when we navigate to our File Explorer, so let's search for File Explorer here. And when we go with Open to continue, and even here at the File Explorer, when we go with our desktop, the moment we selected a file, folder, or a picture, or a document, there would be a checkbox attaching to it. Even if in our C or local disk, the moment we selected it, there would be a checkbox attaching to it. And in order to fix such problem, we'll be performing a very basic step. Okay? So here at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer options. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match and go with Open to continue, and wait until this small window called File Explorer Options would appear, where here you need to proceed with View, scroll down and look for an option called Use Checkboxes to select items. And check this box, OK, and click on Apply and then OK. The moment you have applied it, the moment you select a file there, here at the desktop, there won't be a checkbox anymore attaching to it. And if we go with our File Explorer also, the moment we selected it here, there won't be a checkbox attaching to it anymore, even in the picture, the Chrome application, the Microsoft Edge application, this text document, and even in our Excel document. So we have just successfully removed the checkbox attaching to our specific file or folder the moment we selected it in our Windows 11. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.